Hey everyone, this is Scott with CW Direct, Elkhart, Indiana. Just got in this brand new used Forest River Lexington 2. Hey everyone, this is Scott at CW Direct in Elkhart, Indiana. Just got in this brand new used Forest River Lexington 255 GTS. It's a 2008. Took it in on trade. I'll give you a quick walkthrough on it. I don't even know much about it. Like I said, it just got here, but I wanted to get it out there for you to see. Here we go. Let's have some fun. Bye. All right, it's on the Ford chassis, E450. The interior looks really clean. You'll see that it has a manual awning. Two-way refrigerator, there's the vent. Direct spark ignition, water heater, outside shower. You have some storage. Full walk-on roof, has a ladder, 2-inch receiver for towing, has a backup camera. Don't look at the license plate. Has a slide topper up there. You have some storage down here. It's a full body paint unit. You can see that. Another slide, one slide, two slide. It does have a generator and it runs. I had it running when it first came in. The Harley steering wheel wrap is gonna stay. I asked him about that. He doesn't want to take it. Let's step inside. So, you have some storage up top. There's a sofa, table that fits here. The owner before this one made this cover so you could expand the countertop a little bit. You have a microwave, a convection microwave. Up top, instead of sleeping, you have an entertainment area. Radio, CD, DVD, TV. As I said, the interior looks really good. The seats look good. You have one slide out here, and then you're going to have a slide out in the bedroom. Here's the refrigerator, two-way, electric or propane. Sink, not in the bathroom. There you go, there's the bathroom with a fan. There's the other slide out, just a regular queen bed. Lights on both sides. You have a high volume exhaust fan in the bedroom, TV, good amount of storage. That's nice. Heat is ducted down there and down there. So there's no vents in the floor for things to fall down into or break or what you might have fallen there. And that's about it. Nice little unit. If you're interested, please feel free to give me a call, Scott.barlag, 574-564-6673, extension 1233, scott.barlag at campingworld.com. Thanks a lot. Hope to talk to you soon. Bye.